Happy morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn about the sentence and its parts. The sentence. A group of words that makes a complete sense is called a sentence. A sentence begins with a capital letter. It makes a complete sense. It ends with a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. For example, to the garden went I. In the garden, the book is on the table. The group of words in example 1 does not make any sense. The group of words in example 2 makes sense, but it is not complete. If you see in example 3, the book is on the table, which makes a complete sense, and it is called a sentence. A sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. The part of the sentence that tells us what or whom the sentence is about is called the subject. The part of the sentence that tells us something about the subject is called the predicate. For example, the sun rises in the east. The sun is the subject because the sentence is about the sun. Rises in the east is the predicate because it tells about the subject, the sun. Subject and commands. Come here, don't talk. In these sentences, the subject is not mentioned. The subject is actually you, and the sentence actually reads like this: you come here, you don't talk. Subject in questions. The subject usually comes before the predicate, but in questions, subjects come after predicates. For example, who are you? Here, you is the subject and who are is the predicate. The predicate always includes the verb is, are, am, was, were, etc. Example: Suraj is sleeping. I am reading. I hope you understood the sentence and its parts. Now let me recollect it. A group of words that make a complete sense is called a sentence. A sentence always begins with a capital letter. For example, I went to the garden. A sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. The part of the sentence that tells us what or whom the sentence is about is called the subject. The part of the sentence that tells us something about the subject is called the predicate. For example, the girl is dancing. Here, the girl is the subject, is dancing is the predicate. As I already told, the predicate will always have a verb. Dear children, I'll be sending the worksheet. Please use the concept and do it. Thank you.